see if I can get a couple shots here. Hey and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Ryuta and I primarily upload content related to photography and videography. Firstly, sorry it's been a while since I uploaded consistently. I just moved to a new place, so I had a bit of time before I could settle in. Hopefully I can start uploading consistently again starting next week. Today's video I'm planning to head out with my camera and do some POV photography in Tokyo. And the weather for Tokyo later today is meant to be rain, so I'm going to head out once it gets a little bit darker and hopefully get some moody shots in the rain alongside the lights of the streets in Tokyo. The gear I'm going to be using today is the Sony A7 III and the Tamron 17-28mm lens, which is f2.8, and I'll try to show you the settings that I use along the way alongside the photos, so that you guys can get a general idea of what kind of settings I use to do my photography. And I hope you enjoy this video where I'll take you around Tokyo for some POV photography. So let me just dial in some settings quickly before I start taking some photos. When I'm taking photos at night in the street, I usually put the f value to 2.8. Then I have the shutter speed at around 1/250. And then I change the ISO depending on how bright or how dark the scene is. See if I can take a couple shots in this street. Like the red light on the left hand side, so bump up the ISO here. Maybe some couple shots on this side will be nicer actually. So mainly I take photos of wildlife, especially underwater, but recently I moved to Tokyo, so I'm planning to try out lots of other types of photography like landscape and street photography. So yeah, today I'm mainly out just to practice and try to get a feel of how to do this kind of photography. Here I'm going to get some long exposure shots so that the light is kind of blurred into the child. And you do this by using a shutter speed of about 5 seconds or longer. So I'm just going to set that up quickly. I'm going to start with around 6 seconds. And then you also have to up the F value a lot because it's going to get very bright. So let's try with this. So I'm going to have it at 6 seconds. See how that one turned out. This one turned out like this right now. It looks pretty good. I'm going to try increase the shutter speed to 10 seconds and see how that works out. I really should be using a tripod for this, but I'm too lazy to get it out right now, so I'm just holding the ropes just in case. Let's see how that one turned out. I'm gonna try to get a couple shots right here when the light turns green. There's a big puddle right there in front of me, so I'm going to try to get a reflection of the light in the other street. See if I can get a couple shots here. See how those turned out. It might be useful, I gotta go back and check them on the laptop. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider liking and subscribing if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye!